Hey, what's up, folks, and welcome to I guess you would say this would be our first official video of the Person Paranormal in Urbex. Sorry for my chair, it's a little old. As you can see, so if you hear a little noise, that's where it's coming from. Um, First things first, me and my brother, he's not here right now. I'm actually shooting this at home, and he's not here right now, but I spoke to him and me and him decided, I guess, for our first official video to kind of kick off our page, we're going to go with a exploration we did about a year ago. We went to the old Pawtucket-Central Falls Railroad station, and we literally went through the entire building. Whatever was open or not obstructed, we pretty much just went through it. We took pictures. Just to let you guys know, it is raw footage. I do all the editing for our videos, and none of the stuff has been edited. Only a couple of the sections of each video have been shortened for time because the first video was probably about 50 minutes long, but I was able to scale it down to roughly about, I think, under 30 minutes. So, some of you guys have probably seen the video. I had it posted on my model railroad page, saying it was, I guess, railroad related, but it was more of an urban exploration. So I decided to kick off our page by um, re-uploading that said video. All the footage comes from my old phone. Um, it is in HD, and you guys should have no problem watching it. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe. We are definitely going to be uploading more urban, I'm tongue tied right now, more urban exploration along with um, some locations that are supposedly haunted. And we're going to be getting to the bottom of those to see if they're actually haunted or not. Um, so yeah, I'm just going to cut it short. Check the video out. Let us know what you guys think.
Hey, so what's up, folks? So here we are at the Pawtucket-Central Falls train station. Me and my brother, we're about to go in here and just look around and see what we see. Hopefully we see something good. All right, hold on.
Where I'm about to go, the most haunted place on earth.
Rip my pants.
No.
Look,
No.
I gotta record this. So trying to climb up, I caught a blowout.
Oh,
Look at that.
my brother ripped his pants.
Look,
Oh no.
caught a blowout trying to climb up. But I'm still gonna go up because I really want to see this.
Yeah, we're gonna continue this. We're gonna continue.
I thought I had my pants. This is why I don't wear these ones because they're too like kind of tight. Okay.
And we're missing the train.
All right. Train just went by. I got a blowout.
Just missed it.
All right, here we are on the Pawtucket-Central Falls Station. This probably used to be the main walking concourse area to get from building to building.
There's some switches over there.
It's a lot of graffiti, as you can see from years of being abandoned and neglect. If I was to rate the building structure, 10 being the best, 1 being the worst, it'd probably be a 3 to a 4. This looks like the main room here, as well as the electrical components. I really can't believe I got a blowout. Jesus Christ.
Oh, look at the cables.
And I wasn't even gonna wear these pants today. God damn it. But yeah, if you look down, there's the tracks. That's where the stairs used to be until they rotted away. And I believe the city or the state finished it off and sealed it up. Holy shit. This used to be a something though back in the day. As you can see the old platform right there. Some nice graffiti work though.
Oh, you want some live? Facebook Live?
No, I'm just recording.
Oh. Documentary.
Eventually I could turn this into a video and put it on my YouTube channel.
Really?
Yeah. As you can see, we're walking down the main concourse. If you look behind me, looks like they had an intercom here at one time to let people know about the trains. It's actually in really good condition too.
Oh, wow.
You might run into some homeless people here, but as you can see, people actually do stay here. People do stay here, so I'll be respectful of them if they come. This looks like an office area, probably for the
I've never been in this spot before.
for the train master. There's all types of stuff on the floor. It's an open area for down below. Okay, Nikes. Air Maxes. Are those Air Maxes? Yeah, they are Air Maxes. Oh. Looks like somebody's been gambling. Some scratch tickets on the floor. Matter of fact, there's a lot of scratch tickets on the floor. Holy.
Females, underwear, a bra.
Wow.
Be careful of the nails, man. I see nails that are up.
Alright, we're now in the main area.
I can't come over there.
This was the Grand Concourse area. You know they used to have a flea market running out of here at one time?
No way.
Yeah. I never came, but they used to be open every weekend. Every Saturday and Sunday. Small door here, back to another room where we just came from.
It's the same room or a different room?
The same room where we just came from.
Yeah, I never been all the way over here.
There's a lot more down that way too.
Well, that's the way I came from, those stairs over there. This is CVS right there.
Yeah, that's that. Yep, that's CVS right there. Yeah. A lot of pigeons. This is the Grand Concourse area where people sat. That right there was probably the office for the train master of the station. And this is the ticket booths right here, I believe, to the left. The ground is actually still pretty solid. I believe they built this back in 1930 or 1940. This building was built. Man, this is something else. I always wanted to come here. I'm glad I did it. This looks like the, like I was saying, the ticket office area. Looks like the ground gave way over here. Can I zoom in? I'm taking pictures. bust out the flashlight again. Thank God I got a face mask on. There is a lot of mold everywhere. And you can expect that from a building this old. I don't know what this is here. It looks like the roof collapsed at one time. Again, we are at the Pawtucket-Central Falls train station. The one that goes over the Northeast Corridor. This is the second level. These are the bathrooms. Has a ramp here. Has that this ramp is actually unsteady. I'm surprised it didn't fall. Thank you, God. Holy. This is the elevator shaft. Oh, what's left of it. Something out of a horror show. If you look to my left over, you can see the train tracks. This is the elevator shaft down to the tracks. Where you at, bro?
Did we go down there?
No, we didn't come over here. I just went back there. That's actually the bathroom area over here. And then right over here is the old elevator shaft down to the tracks.
No way.
Right here. Look in here.
Oh, this is like a
Look down there.
ghost ship.
Yeah. Definitely want to document this. I'm snapping pictures too as I go along.
Damn, the old elevator shop. Where's the elevator?
They probably took it out years ago.
So there's no one to get down there, huh?
I mean, they sealed it off.
I never been. Oh, here's the door. Right here.
Yep, they sealed it off. All that.
They put a wall right there. It's literally right here. Damn, the old elevator shop. Where's the elevator?
This is all wet from rainwater. You get a shot of the old ticket booth.
Careful of the nails.
Yeah,
That's the ticket booth? The office?
this is the old ticket office area. This looks like another elevator shaft.
Another elevator shaft?
Jesus Christ.
That's the ticket booth? The office?
Somebody here? You saw that?
Yeah.
We're not here to bother you. We're just doing research if you are in there. Don't come over here, dude.
Why?
I think I just stepped in somebody's and riddled with Yeah, I gotta throw these shoes away. Get a little, man. I don't know exactly what this was. Let's see if I can adjust my light. I don't know what this was. If anybody knows what this was, you can comment. Looks like a baggage area. If you decide to come here, please be very careful and mindful. Homeless people do stay here. This area over here is riddled with.
No, I won't go over there. Is there anything over there or no?
No. Just an open area. Thank God I didn't eat. I think I would have threw up by now. Oh, shit. Oh, I'll show you. It's gonna take a lot of money.
Well, the foundation's still strong.
It's very strong. Surprised it even lasted this long.
The roof, yeah, that's a different story, but what we're standing on is fucking solid. Yeah, that's the entrance to come in this way and that way. How the fuck is it?
Oh, there you go. I'm gonna show you right now.
I've never been here.
I remember from the video, even though I've never been here, but it seems pretty self-explanatory.
I can't believe they built this in the 1920s, 30s.
I think it was 1930s, 1940s this was
So the
built.
technology they had back then, this shit is still strong.
They had some really good architects back then, engineers that knew how to build some really, really strong structures.
Shit reminds me of bullshit.
I think one of them was, I think his name was H.H. Bentley. I think he was out of Boston.
I definitely don't watch my TV.
Well, I'm not gonna throw these away, but I'll definitely wash them though. Damn, I didn't bring my pepper spray.
What?
In case somebody might come running out.
I thought it was the same thing, but it's good.
For now, probably not at night.
No, at night, probably a fucking totally different story.
Look like they be bringing.
What's over here? Something's boarded up over there.
Can you see anything from the cracks?
It looks like, I remember when I was living on Montgomery Street with Tanya, they were using part of this building for something. There's like a good part of the building, I think that was it. On the CBS side, I think. How the fuck did he do? It's driving me nuts. That kid, I can't believe I was a kid.
I believe it was over here. I'm trying to show you. Come on, man.
Sorry, this building right here. They use this building or this building they use? That building. It's a lower level. There's a lower level. How the fuck did he
Yep.
You telling me he climbed out of here to go up there?
No. There was a landing. There was a landing on that side of the corner of the building, and this side over here, he went on and he climbed up and over. It was either this side or the opposite, or the opposite side. If it is going,
I have to watch the video again. Damn, they took all these cardboards and dumped. So they must have came in here and just like
pushing them on the tracks and shit. Trains were coming by hitting them.
well, that same train that just went this way is gonna come back this way. He's only going to Providence.
Man, I still can't believe I caught. So this is the way you came in the first time here.
This is when I came in here. This is the way I went, right there.
Okay.
And I wouldn't go no further because I was just like creeped out. So this is the back of the station.
I think we went in every room they had available open.
Dang, that's what's bothering me.
Because if I remember correctly, if you watch the video, he did something, and there was like a landing, and he went up
What's
on
the name of it?
Um,
Look
So,
at this view.
unfortunately, we're back in here, folks, because we came across a video from a younger kid from a couple of years ago. He was here exploring. Some way, somehow, he got on the roof, but we can't figure out
I
how.
can't figure out how he got out of it. This is
You notice how they had to build this section up compared to the freight tracks?
why.
Because it's actually coming up on an incline. Over here on this section, it actually comes up. All this area and this area here has been built up compared to the freight tracks. That's some close. I think it was part of a grade separation. They actually rebuilt all of this back in the early 1900s. So as you can see, folks, even with my blowout, we're still here exploring the Pawtucket-Central Falls train station. And if you do decide to come here, make sure you wear a mask, because there is a lot of mold, mildew, asbestos, and all other types of things in this building. It's very old, lots of graffiti, and there are a possibility of some homeless people that are staying here in this building. So we explored every part of this building so far, and we didn't come across any folks. The blowout actually happened trying to climb up the wall over there. I didn't pull my pants up all the way, and this happened. And my brother's over here exploring the other half. Got an old safe right here. It's like cast iron, maybe steel. Has the wheels on each stuff. But we're wrapping up our exploration here. I got a lot of footage, and I have a lot of pictures that I'm going to load, and I'm going to actually turn this into a video. So definitely look forward to that, and look for that video probably in the next couple of days, so I can get a chance to edit any of the pictures and the video itself. The first set of video will be a point of view. Pretty much you're seeing what I'm seeing. Some dark areas, obviously there's some light areas. Yeah, so with that being said, this is Tony signing off from the Pawtucket-Central Falls train station on the Pawtucket, Rhode Island, Central Falls, Rhode Island border.